Governor Steve Bullock is suspending new transfers into Department of Corrections custody to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The DOC director can still authorize individual transfers, but any new transfers approved must be quarantined for 14 days. The order covers all DOC facilities and contract facilities. The directive also includes screening anyone arriving at a facility and restricting all in-prison visits. Now, inmates get one free video call and one free phone call each week. The Board of Pardons and Parole will also consider early release for older inmates, inmates who have medical conditions that make them high risk, pregnant inmates, and inmates nearing their release date. Well, the Montana ACLU says that Bullock's directive lacks a sense of urgency and called for the expedited release of vulnerable populations and inmates with disabilities. In a release, the Montana ACLU legal director Alex Raitt says, quote, "We need to immediately reduce the number of people potentially exposed to COVID-19 in all aspects of the criminal legal system, from arrests and bookings to pretrial detention and probation and parole. A price meal approach is not the answer. Every delay will ultimately mean more lives lost." Now, this morning, the ACLU and Disability Rights Montana filed an emergency petition with the Montana Supreme Court. The petition asks the court to reduce the number of people currently in custody by reducing both those detained before trial and those already sentenced, and by taking fewer people into custody in the first place.